How to add only one name on Facebook. So if you want to add only one name on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and then go with the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Go with your profile, or you can simply scroll down and go with your settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Under settings, go for account center and then go with profiles and choose the Facebook profile. Once you've chosen, now you need to go with the name option. Under name here you will have name, right? So if you want to have only single name, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your first name, remove the first name, and then add some dots or any kind of symbols that you would like to add. So once you've added the symbols, you just need to simply go with review change, which is here on the bottom. And once you added the symbols or just invisible text, then you just need to simply go with the review change option, which is on the middle of your screen. Simply tap on review change. Once you tap on review change, your name will be changed. So in this way, you can add only one name on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.